In 2025, astronomers spotted something extraordinary. An object hurtling through our solar system from the depths of interstellar space. They called it 3I Atlas. Officially, it's a comet. But what if it's not? What if 3I Atlas is an alien spacecraft? And if that's true, what effect would it have on our civilization? Tonight, we explore the possibilities, from science and technology to politics, culture, and the human spirit. 3I Atlas is the third confirmed interstellar visitor in recorded human history. Before it, there was Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet Borisov in 2019. But 3I Atlas feels different. Its orbit is oddly aligned, its chemistry bizarre, richer in carbon dioxide than any other comet we've ever seen. And so the question lingers, what if it isn't a natural object at all? What if it's a probe? So let's imagine tomorrow morning NASA steps up to the microphone. They say, we have conclusive evidence 3I Atlas is artificial, not a rock, not a ball of ice, but a machine from another civilization. The world changes instantly. The news spreads in seconds. Financial markets spiral. Governments call emergency sessions. For the first time in history, humanity faces undeniable proof. We are not alone. Think of the emotions. Some people collapse in fear. Others rush into the streets celebrating. Religious leaders are challenged overnight. Every philosophy, every worldview has to answer the same question. What does this mean for humanity? It will be like the second Copernican revolution. Centuries ago, we discovered Earth wasn't the center of the universe. Now we discover humanity isn't the pinnacle of intelligence. We are just one civilization among many. If 3I Atlas is a spacecraft, it changes everything we thought we knew about physics. It means interstellar travel isn't just possible, it's happening. Imagine the boost to human science. Propulsion research explodes. New energy systems are pursued with unlimited funding, and every scientist suddenly has the same dream. Get close to that craft. Because if we can study it, if we can recover even a fragment, we could leap forward by centuries. Think about it. A civilization able to cross the stars might hold the answers to the greatest mysteries. Faster than light travel, life extension, energy sources beyond fusion. For humanity, it could be our fire from the gods moment, like when early humans mastered flames. A new beginning, or a dangerous temptation. But technology doesn't exist in a vacuum. Who gets access to the alien knowledge? The United States? China? Russia perhaps? Or should it belong to the entire planet? The United Nations would scramble. Alliances would be tested. Nations might race, not to the moon this time, but to intercept 3I Atlas. Meanwhile, culture would explode. Artists paint it, poets write about it. Children grow up dreaming not of being astronauts, but ambassadors to the stars. But there would also be fear. Some would see it as a threat. Others might build cults around it, worshipping the craft as divine. Civilization wouldn't just change technologically, it would change in spirit. We'd be forced to ask, what does it mean to be human when we are no longer alone? Now imagine this. One day, 3I Atlas transmits a pulse of radio waves. Mathematics, music, or a language we don't understand. For decades, SETI has listened for a signal from the stars. Now the signal has come to us. Do we answer? Do we risk revealing our location? Or do we stay silent, hoping to learn without being noticed? And what if the signal contains knowledge? Instructions? An invitation, perhaps? For the first time, Earth would not feel like the centre of the story. We'd just be one chapter in a much bigger book. And maybe, just maybe, the aliens have already turned that page. From here, two paths unfold. The first is the optimistic future. Humanity unites. We solve our own problems: hunger, war, disease. Because now we have a greater horizon and a common interest. Alien technology powers a new age. We colonize space not as a nation, but as Earth, the Star Trek dream made real. Or the darker path. Nations fight over fragments. Paranoia spreads. Alien knowledge becomes a weapon before it becomes a cure. And instead of uniting, we divide even further. And maybe, just maybe, the aliens aren't watching with curiosity. They're watching to see which path we choose. Right now, 3i Atlas is probably just a comet. But if it isn't, if it truly is a spacecraft, then the moment we confirm we're not alone, civilization changes forever. The question is not about them, it's about us. Are we ready? If you've liked this what-if scenario and want more deep dives into space, science and even ancient mysteries like Egypt and lost civilizations, hit like, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video.